Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick fix for a problem that some of you might have since the May 2020 update. So when you actually want to reinstall Windows, you can use an option called Reset This PC. It's available in Settings, Update and Security. Then you go into Recovery, and here at the top you have Reset This PC, and you can click that Get Started button. Now, unfortunately, on some machines with the May 2020 update or later, it actually doesn't work. It gives an error message. It seems that it's because the image that is used to actually reinstall Windows is corrupted. So there's a workaround if you want to fix it and be able to do it. So simply go to right-click the Start menu and click Command Prompt Administrative. Then click Yes. You can also go into the search and type Command Prompt. And here you can run as administrator in this list in the Command Prompt also if you don't have it in the Start menu. What you'll do is type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. What it does, it will actually download a fresh copy of the Windows 10 image to replace the one you have. Once you run this command, what's going to happen is that you will have a certain process going through. When it's over and when all is done, simply reboot your PC. Go to the Start menu, and in the power settings, just type Restart. Just go into the Restart. Once you restart, go back to the settings, go back to Update and Security, and go back to your recovery option to start Reset This PC. It seems this fixes the Reset This PC problem. So hope that it works for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.